Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to start the new chapter, that is the second chapter, fractions. Students, do you have idea about that? Fractions? Yeah, in previous classes 6th standard and 5th standard also you have studied that fraction. What do you mean by fraction? Fraction मतलब division. फ्रैक्शन मीन्स डिवीजन. जनरली वी हैव टू मेक इट डिवीजन. ठीक है, तो वो जो फ्रैक्शन है वो क्या है, व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रैक्शन, व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन, व्हाट इज दैट ऑपरेशंस, व्हाट इज दैट एडिशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन, व्हाट इज दैट सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर. ठीक है, तो पहले फर्स्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दैट फ्रैक्शन, then after we will study what are the types of a fraction in this video. So first of all, you see the students, what is that fraction? Fraction is a number which one getting from the part of a whole number. Fraction is also one of the number. ठीक है, which one we can get, which we can write in the form p by q, p upon q, like that p by q if you write, and where the p and q should be a natural number, should be a natural number. Okay, that is called as a fraction. Fraction is one whole of that number. Okay, part of the number. So look at here students, we can see I have the first of all I have written that fraction. Fraction क्या हो सकता ना, fraction is a number which can be written in the form p by q. हमें p by q ऐसा लिख सकते तो उसको बोलते हैं हम fraction. ठीक है, and where p and what is that q, ना ये जो p and q these are both should be natural numbers. The number a is called the first, suppose I have written that p by q like this हम लिख सकते तो उसको बोलते हैं हमें fraction. This is a fraction. ठीक है, और ये p क्या है ना, उसको बोलते हैं हमें numerator, and q क्या है, it is called as a denominator. जो नीचे है उसको बोलते हैं डिनोमिनेटर, जो ऊपर वाला ऊपर है वो बोलते हैं हमें न्यूमरेटर. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, p बाई q ऐसा लिखेंगे तो उसको बोलते हैं हमें फ्रैक्शन. एंड ये जो p एंड q शुड बी ए नेचुरल नंबर. मे इट इज 1, मे बी इट इज 2, मे बी इट इज 3, मे बी इट इज 4, मे बी इट इज 5, मे बी इट इज 6. ओके, सो दीज आर कॉल्ड एज व्हाट इज दैट, फ्रैक्शन. सो स्टूडेंट्स ऑब्जर्व दैट हियर I have written that to representation graphical also, if how you can make a fraction, why, where you are using. So you know that one cake, suppose your birthday cake, if we have to make that 4 parts, 4 members are there and everybody should get that equal parts. तो हमको केक को कैसा कट करना है, ऐसा केक एक बार और एक बार, तब मतलब 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स हो गया. हम एक पार्ट को लेंगे तो हम एक पार्ट को देंगे तो एक आदमी को, तो ऐसा कैसे मिलेगा, वो ऐसा ही होगा. ठीक है, वो जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन हम क्या करेंगे ना, 1/4. ठीक है, सो हम क्या लिखेंगे इसको 1/4. क्यों लिखेंगे 1/4 ए पार्ट को, क्योंकि 4 पार्ट से ये एक पार्ट है. ठीक है, सो ये जो फिगर अभी देख रहे हैं वो फिगर को हम लिख सकते हैं, ये जो फिगर को क्या लिख सकते हैं हमें 1/4, मतलब ये 4 पार्ट्स में एक पार्ट लिख सकते हैं. और भी हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हमें इसको भी रेक्टेंगल बॉक्स है, हमें भी ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, नॉट ओनली राउंड, इसको भी हम लिख सकते हैं 1/4. ये डिफरेंस कुछ नहीं, ये भी 4 बॉक्स है, इक्वल 4 पार्ट्स हमें एक पार्ट्स को हम रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं शेडेड के, तो इसलिए 1/4. हमें और भी कर सकते हैं, कैसे कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी 1/4, मतलब इधर से इक्वल होना है तो ये भी 1/4. Different way we can represent it. That means if you are making equal 4 parts and from that we are taking that, we can represent like this way. Suppose I will say students, now I will make it 1. Now I have represented that one circle and I have made a how many parts? Equal 8 parts. Yes. So what is the shaded portion? How will it represent in the fraction of the shaded portion? Okay. So how will show? Now how many total? Now 8 is there. So total 8 is there. So we have to write that date. And how many parts are shaded? Now 4 parts. So 4 parts. So this is called as 4 by 8. The fraction, whatever that figures, this figure fraction is 4 by 8. So generally that fraction means a part of a whole. टोटल से कुछ पार्ट, उसको बोलते हैं हमें क्या है? फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है. एंड जनरली इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड, फ्रैक्शन इज नथिंग बट दैट इज द डिवीजन. दैट मीन्स वी आर डिवाइडिंग सम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. ओके. सो लेट अस सी सम what are the types of fractions, and we will discuss about that. So generally you know that the types of fractions are generally proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Okay. So first of all we will discuss about that what is that proper fraction. Proper fraction क्या हो सकता? Friends, already I have told fraction having the two parts generally contains, one is numerator, another one is denominator. Okay, upper is numerator, down one is denominator. So according to that we have to classify that different way, the class that part of the types of fraction. So what are the types of fraction? So generally I first will explain about that, we will understand, we will learn about that proper fraction. So what is the proper fraction? क्या हो सकता? कैसे हम मालूम करेंगे? These are the proper fraction. So first of all write down the definition, students. If the numerator of a fraction, if a numerator of a fraction is less than the denominator, याद रखो बेटे, हमें comparably we are understanding and writing that fraction, types of fraction. Comparably we are checking न्यूमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. न्यूमिनेटर छोटा होगा तो डिनोमिनेटर से उसको प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन हम बोलेंगे. ठीक है. याद रखा क्या? जब व्हेन न्यूमिनेटर इज स्मॉलर देन द डिनोमिनेटर, इफ दैट मीन्स इफ p इज स्मॉलर देन q, p व्हाट इज दैट? न्यूमिनेटर, q व्हाट? डिनोमिनेटर. वो टाइम पे हमें उसको बोलते हैं प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है. राइट डाउन द डेफिनेशन स्टूडेंट्स. If the numerator of a fraction is less than the denominator, then it is called proper fraction. Example: 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 7, 9 by 10, etc. Look at here. Suppose 1 by 2. Numerator कितना है? 1 है. Denominator क्या है? 2 है. तो numerator, what is that numerator? 1. 1 is less than 2. Here 3 is less than 4. 5 is less than 7. 9 is less than 10. So if numerator is less than denominator, that is called as a proper fraction. That means numerator, NR I am short form writing, numerator is less than denominator. If numerator is less than denominator, that is called as a proper fraction. Okay. Now go for that improper fraction. Improper fraction क्या हो सकते हैं? Now if the numerator of a fraction is greater than the denominator, उसका रिवर्स, न्यूमिनेटर बड़ा होगा तो डिनोमिनेटर से, तो उसको बोलते हैं हमें इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. इफ ए numerator, if the numerator of a fraction is greater than the denominator, then that fraction is called improper fraction. Okay, one more time I will repeat it. If the numerator of a fraction is greater than the denominator, then the fraction is called improper fraction. So numerator बड़ा होता किससे? डिनोमिनेटर से, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हमें? improper fraction. For example 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 7 by 4 dot dot dot, these are called improper fraction. समझे क्या बेटे? So these are called improper fraction. So next we will discuss about that. What is that mixed fraction? So I will write here, students. What is the mixed fraction? Write down the definition, students. Third one. मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन क्या होता? ठीक है. राइट द डेफिनेशन. mixed fractions are the fractions which mixed fractions are the fractions which are combined a proper fraction, combined a whole number and a whole number with a proper fraction. Is called mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fractions are the fractions which are combined with a whole number with a proper fraction. एक whole number के साथ एक proper fraction रहेगा, combine होकर रहेगा तो उसको बोलता है mixed fraction. For examples क्या होगा? examples 3 whole 1 by 2. ये whole number 1 by 2 is a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. 5 3 by 4. This is a mixed fraction. Suppose I will write 7 5 by 3. Is it a mixed fraction? No. Why? Because whole number, but this is improper fraction. 5 is greater than the 3. So this is not a, what is that? Mixed fraction. Okay, this is not like that fraction conditions. So what you have to write is, you can write 7 whole 3 by 5. This is correct, but this is not correct because whole number with one proper fraction should be. Did you understand, students? So I hope you have understand what is the fraction and what is the proper fraction, what is the improper fraction and what is the mixed fraction. Okay? So next we will discuss about that. What is that? According to their denominators only, we have to different types are there, like fraction, unlike fraction and unit fractions in the upcoming video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.